Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now it is being alleged that friends and supporters are concerned about the toll the situation has taken on Phillip Paulwell. Some even speculate that this was the plan all along, to get Paulwell out of representational politics. Now think about it. Law enforcement is saying that the body of his baby mother and his daughter was taken to Rockfort. Phillip Paulwell is a member of parliament for East Kingston all the way to Port Royal. If his wife wanted to get away with this crime, why her cousin carry the body in a Paulwell constituency as if they wanted the body to be found as soon as possible? Or the remains, seeing that it is said that the bodies were set ablaze? Now, I'm going to hear what will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Right now, Phillip needs to be placed in an institution. He needs to be injected. He needs some rest. Phillip needs to take himself out of the limelight, if it's even for a couple months. Can't come back. Phillip can't come back from this, you know. Phillip is devastated, you know. He is devastating.
Oh, you know that.
Let me tell you something. When we talk about diarrhea and vomiting.
Then now, Phillip Paulwell now, they were going to plan to assassinate him. And then I hear Phillip Paulwell was dead. And people say, yeah man, I kill the people them. I can't bear the pressure and go commit suicide. People, let me tell you something. If Phillip Paulwell did have anything to do with these people, I know the emperor, I'm a big friend. And Phillip Paulwell can't pay me because I'm richer than Andrew Wallace. And I haven't seen Phillip Paulwell talk to Phillip Paulwell or nothing. Because when you're investigating a crime scene, people, you don't friend nobody in the crime scene. You don't talk to nobody as such in the crime scene, people. What you're going to do, you're going to do your independent investigation. And only know people, so when the emperor go investigate things, see the people, all the police are afraid to go up on the investigation scene, people. And what the girl do, people, the girl hire different hitman to go kill the hitman. You see people? So I want to family them to the people. Remember, you know, the boy who assassinate the woman and the pitney was also her cousin. Same like how up at Donnelly case, the security boy was my girl cousin, and all of a sudden him disappear. We can't find nothing about him. I wonder if I assassinate him. Because he was the hungry man who said, yes, and me call my cousin and let her in the apartment to kill Donnelly. So all of a sudden he missing people and nobody can find him. And then poor Noel, they in a jail of rotten people for a crime that him never do. But what happened? I don't know them convincing people to go help clean up the crime scene. And Noel made that jail innocent people but not fully innocent because him got help the baby mother clean up crime scene. But Peter Paulwell, Phillip Paulwell people wasn't doing it. Imagine people. Imagine people. I mean, I hear none out there look out against this. But you know what? Crucify Phillip Paulwell will have nothing to do with it. People, I don't know 100% what Phillip Paulwell angling to people, but I can tell you he's not angling it good. Because the woman who gone to jail, people, him and her never depend on 100% people. But try and be a mother and she have her look at money, people. They look at poor girl, people now. Phillip Paulwell loves she because she not bully him. She not try to run him life. She just keep him good and keep him warm, people. So him lose she, people. Plus him lose him daughter, people. And people, Paulisha favor Phillip Paulwell. The big nose, the eye, the everything. They look at baby up. So Phillip Paulwell never need to do the DNA. When you remember that Phillip Paulwell asked for DNA for the hype. And remember people, see that? My baby mother can't drive out any one of my car them right now. The head of my security people can't drive out any one of my car. Because what happened, them have access to my vehicle, people. The Secretary of State people can drive any one of my car, them people. When you have businessman people are saying, go, Phillip Paulwell have enough vehicle and not like a one vehicle man have people. So all talk about, oh, she drive out the man car. Phillip Paulwell have tens of vehicle people. See it here? Me and the Land Cruiser you know people. And sometimes you see JJ have the Land Cruiser. Anyone of my baby mother can come borrow the Land Cruiser people. Any one of my baby mother can come borrow my Land Cruiser. So what the girl do people? Remember that she come from foreign. So she doesn't have a car for herself. So of course she can't drive Phillip car. Any one of them what she feel like. So what the girl do? She use over amount of jealousy. Plus different from that. She get a forgot to do the sacrifice. Can I tell already people, so I'm about to not believe when the emperor predict things. Left for the comment and tell me if I foolishness me talk. See him like coming to tell Tony Young, I RFM said them going to kill him. Yes man. I see them kill the boss at RFM there. And then I go tell him son, say him forget a power ring or get a guard ring. And him son still laugh off of me to people. And see there, Chad dead like a dog people. And no autopsy can tell what killed Chad. Them who be Chad people. So people, I don't know else to solve people, but on the social them burn the people and the woman. So check it out people, the girl flying upon the 6. And the 6. Left for the comment and tell me for stupidness. The pity them gets 4 shot people, the baby. And the woman get 2. 6 gunshot that fire people. And yet the baby so much, that's make sure the baby get 4 shot. And then the woman get 2 shot people in her head. In her chest, one in her chest and one in her chest and one in her head. So 6 shot that in all people. And then they were killed on the 9th. And if you turn 9 upside down people, what do you get? And then when they check the 6 shot people, the girl come down on the 6 and killing on the 9th. And if you turn 9 upside down, what do you get when you turn 9 upside down? Them want assassinate. Remember the people from the year say them assassinate Phillip Paulwell now. And you say him dead now. Remember say assassinate them assassinate him. Like how them assassinate the other member of parliament over Portmore people. And no investigation no go on. No people. If you need someone to talk to Phillip, I'm there. I remember I lose a baby mother, you know. You understand, but you lose a pitney plus a baby mother. You understand? Same thing when they kill Donnelly, because Donnelly is prettier than the baby mother. And through that girl are prettier than the other baby mother. So not that the baby mother ugly, you know, but she's prettier than the girl who kill her. So, and the baby 100% favor people. Anyway, people, my investigation I done to the people. So nobody believes that you carry no God at the thing the people. Because me have my police and my work with my people. In the 14 parishes people. You understand? And I have my FBI squad and I work with my people. And don't know say the Nyan Kepong Karamanti Investigation Department people. So the Karamanti Investigation Department people, you know say the Nyan Kepong Maroon government Karamanti Investigation Department people, you know say them bad. You could have either pillar because we use spiritual thing to investigate and we use physical thing to investigate people. I want to see how fast we can find the spot of them kill the or them burn the baby and the woman people. I want to know TVJ not going it. I want to know CFM not going it. Right side of the pole people. So when you go up on Warwick Hill people, you go up on the hill, go around and go up there. Good people live up the people. No criminal not up there have such people. When I say look at war might not go on, but that's when man and man this one another and then war against some one of people and then the war done people and that people going back to business. And I say I tell them so to stop war against one another and start to work out of a football game. If you can't agree,
and if you're new to the channel, Mr. Pass Through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you now will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion in the comment section on 24/7. It never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.